intro.
Good afternoon, friends.
Hi!
Today is Sunday.
June 27th.
And it's hot.
Ooh boy.
And we are at Busch Gardens.
Celebrating my birthday week.
Jessica's birthday
Cheers.
week. We have Logan. Say hi. Silent Rob and McStuffin.
Just call me McStuffin.
He's an Irish R&B singer. So basically what I'm trying to say, it's summer, it's hot, it's open late, and we're gonna be some idiots riding roller coasters. Last time we were here, actually, we got rained out. I will post a link to that up there and down in the description, so you can check that out.
The one that happened during the rain, Cobra's Curse, apparently it's not open today.
Yeah, we were in line for Cobra's Curse when it started downpouring, and unfortunately it's closed today, so that sucks. But there's much more fun to be had, and a lot of park that we didn't get to do last time. At least the birds are enjoying the multi-million-dollar lawn ornament. Can we just get it open already, Busch Gardens? Hello? Announcement, please? Something? Anything? We got Logan riding some Gwazi gliders.
Hey, push the black bar, Cameron. Push it.
That thing is huge. Freaking huge here.
Oh my god.
Dang. That dude can barely get up out of the water. We got these beautiful Serengeti sunrise frozen beverages. And out there, giraffes.
It's the tour, the up-close tour, so all the giraffes are over there getting snacks. I'm gonna do that.
Giraffes. So it looks like our first ride of the day is gonna be on Montu.
Well, we missed it last time because of the rain, which
Yeah.
I'm sure some of you guys saw. So excited. And it's
fun.
Now, since it's been what, I guess a month since we've been here.
Okay.
It's now really like 16 years to the day, pretty much. That it's been since I've been here and been on this ride. So I hope my memory serves me well and it's as awesome as I remember.
It was your first inverted roller coaster.
It was my first inverted roller coaster in high school, yeah. But the last time, like being at Busch Gardens before we came the last time was like 16 years, so.
This one before. It should be cool. You rode this before.
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, Kendall and Silent Rob are on this one that's going up right now. It's gonna be way too fast to actually like see them, but we're trying. Well, there they went.
Here we go.
Yeah, that was super fast.
Now. Ooh, that was awesome. So we just finished on Montu. We rider swapped with Logan. It's pretty sweet. What are we going to now?
I think we're gonna try and maybe circle back around the opposite way.
Okay.
And do SheiKra.
Sweet.
SheiKra.
Shakira. It's a dang hippopotamus.
Oh my goodness! Where did he come from?
You know the hippopotamus?
No, Hip Hop Anonymous?
Damn, you give him all the easy ones. Here we have Jacob's house.
there must be a lot of people online.
Bro, that's where we cook.
That's it.
what'd you
Damn,
go-
you got
what
that thing.
is still there?
You got that thing wall mounted?
This is your TV.
Yeah, look at I got
Wow.
great views. I only get to watch Nature Channel all the time, but whatever. I even got the nice skylight view.
Look at your staircase.
That's my firewood, Jessica.
That's an oven.
So we learned something the hard way, which I want to make sure that anybody who might frequent SeaWorld and Busch Gardens and think that their child swap works the same, it does not. The way the child swap works at Busch Gardens is basically you go up and you ask them whatever the wait time is based on like when you show up. They will give you a return time for your whole party with a ticket, and then you'll child swap that way. So you can literally go collect your wait times and collect your return times, go do whatever you want to do, go have lunch, and then have things lined up for the rest of the day.
Finally did it.
Who likes the Tampa Bay Lightning?
We're here with Garlic McMuffin,
I'm the
the
champ.
basketball champ.
Garlic McMuffin.
The idiot's got tequila.
Excuse me.
Got that.
My birthday.
Smoky.
Is it?
So guess what?
We're at Busch Gardens and
It's pouring. Damn it. So it's basically stopped raining. However, none of the rides have reopened yet because there was lightning strikes. So we're just kind of hanging out, waiting for things to get back going, and then we're gonna step onto Tigris and SheiKra. Now we wait. All right, so the rain has ended, and yeah, we're on Tigris. My first ride. I think your first ride. First ride. Yeah! Oh my God, this is gonna be crazy. Holy. Camera fell down. Damn, that was crazy.
So Kendall and Rob just got to ride Tigris, and we haven't done that in a minute. So we did a child swap because we have Logan, but it just went down for technical difficulties while I was about to get in the line to ride it. So I haven't got to ride it yet, and I really want to ride it, and I'm very upset if this doesn't happen.
Oh
Yo,
my
I'm
God.
not ready. You're ready.
Ready now. You're ready.
I'm not ready.
Oh
I didn't
God,
know.
I'm
I had no
scared.
idea. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh God.
Okay. Well, here we go.
Oh God, here we go. Oh God, here we go.
Oh my God.
Oh God, here we go. Oh God, here we go.
Oh my
Oh
God.
God, here we go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Oh my God. We're going back through. Oh my God. We're going back through.
Come on, that's it.
That was awesome.
Here we are. We have made it onto SheiKra finally. It's back open. The rain has passed. The thunder has passed. The lightning has passed. And I'm scared. You don't realize how huge it is when you look at it. It's so high up here. Like, that's so high up. It doesn't look this high from up down at the bottom. It's insane. Oh, Jesus. This is the part that gets me. It's like the slow creep. Dang, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh, of course in the front. Oh, God. Oh, God. definitely water in my eyes from that tunnel. I don't know how that happened. It's really cool to see fireworks again. It's been a long time since I've seen like a park do a fireworks show. It's pretty awesome. Well, we caught the end of the fireworks. We rushed over to cheetah hunt and they were happened to be closed doing testing. However, they just reopened. So Jessica and Rob just hopped on it. Hopefully we get one last ride in the dark. Should be pretty cool. And with that, that is going to complete our night out the Busch Gardens. It was fun. We got to ride some rides. Logan got some rides. It was good. There's not much she can do here, but it was still fun. I think she still had a good time.
She did get a giraffe lightsaber.
Yeah, it was a good night.
Finally, Montu, 16 years in the making.
Yep. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Great ride. Bye.